And I can assure you, what is it, Dave, 12 years? 12 years for Hammertowne? Hammertowne's been together 12 years. We're fixing to do something we've never done before.
Can you do it, Nate? Where you at? Can you do it, Nate? Can you do it, Nate? Yeah.
We got a very special request for the man of the hour up here. How about you, Saul? You having a good time, brother? Now, I'm going to tell you one thing. If we play this stinking thing, you've got to be right there dancing.
That's exactly right.
You hear me?
Hey, all right.
You want to sing it, Daniel? I don't know much about Saul, but I feel pretty comfortable saying that he is a soggy bottom boy. And lately, he's had some sorrows. Is that fair enough to say, Chainsaw? I believe the night brought him out of it. I believe the night brought him out of it. You gonna do it? You gonna do it? Here we go. This is one entitled "The Man of Constant Sorrow."
Well, I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. Well, I've been through it. Beautiful Kentucky.
Yes,
the state where I was born in. The state where he was born and raised. I've been in trouble, no pleasure here on earth I'll find. For in this world I'm out on a ramble. I have no friends to help me down.
He has no friends to help him down.
Fare thee well, my old true lover. I never expect to see you again. Before I'm found to ride that northern railroad, perhaps I'll die upon this train.
Perhaps he'll die upon this train.
Maybe your friends think I'm just a stranger. My face you'll never will see no more. In this world I'm bound to ramble. I'll meet you on God's golden shore.
He'll meet you on God's golden shore.
Thank you, folks.
All righty, what do you think about them? What do you think about Chainsaw? Lord, yes.
Mississippi Bluegrass Artist of the Year, am I correct?